Question 16. Extensive pleural thickening, especially involving diaphragmatic pleura. Diaphragmatic pleura involvement is classical of asbestosis. Typical of the asbestosis, you will see this picture in. Question 17. Following clinical sign is unilateral in which disease? So typically this is our Babinski's sign. So Babinski's sign is a upper motor neuron lesion, indicative of upper motor neuron lesion. So we want to know where the lesion is unilateral. Unilateral lesion is seen in right MCA ischemic stroke. Unilateral disease. Otherwise, amyotropic lateral sclerosis is bilateral. Cervical myelopathy is bilateral. Multiple sclerosis is bilateral. So exception being D, A, the right middle cerebral artery ischemic stroke causes unilateral Babinski's positive. Question number 18. In anemic hypoxia, the PaO2 will be normal. In anemic hypoxia, there is a severe anemia, secondary to severe anemia, which is an example of type 4 respiratory failure. Example of type 4 respiratory failure. So it is totally normal. In question 19, total body electron beam therapy is used for the mycosis fungoides. Used for the mycosis fungoides, we use total electron beam therapy. Question 20, Kussmaul's sign is seen in. What is Kussmaul's sign? Raise in the JVP or absence of drop in the JVP. Raise in the JVP or absence of drop in the JVP on inspiration is seen in all except. So it is seen in constrictive pericarditis, right ventricular infarction, right-sided heart failure, except for HOCM. Except for B, that is HOCM. That's the correct answer for us. Question 21. Prevalence of portal vein thrombosis in cirrhosis is 10%. Prevalence of portal vein thrombosis is 10%. 22. Use of digoxin is contraindicated in WPW because in WPW syndrome there is presence of an accessory pathway. The accessory pathway does not have a refractory period like the AV node. When you give the digoxin, it increases the conduction across the accessory pathway, precipitating ventricular arrhythmias. Hence it is contraindicated. Option number B. Question 23. All of the following conditions can be seen as an expression of myeloma associated renal disease except. So when there is myeloma, immunoglobulins and there is plasma proteins get filtered into the tubule. So there can be tubular defect and the chronic tubulointerstitial nephropathy, which in turn can cause acute renal failure except for MPGN. MPGN may be associated with a solid organ tumor. Not with the myeloma. Right? That is why right answer except. Question 24. Non-surgical management of peptic ulcer perforation includes each of the following except. So there is already perforation. So how can you prevent? In non-surgical management includes suction, includes H2 agonist, includes antibiotic to prevent the peritonitis except for octreotide. Octreotide we give sometimes in the upper GI bleed. We give octreotide sometimes, but not for peptic ulcer perforation.